I got my old microwave, and this microwave is faulty, and there's few parts that is faulty. The transformer is faulty, the cap is faulty, the diode is faulty, the fuse is faulty. Only few part is really good with that, but if I'm going to fix it, it's going to be more expensive. So what I think I'm going to do with this microwave is I'm going to convert it into a sanitizer box. But first of all, before I convert it into a sanitizer box, I want to remove all those faulty parts so that I can start with it. So as you can see, the cap is faulty, the diode is faulty, and the fuse is faulty, transformer is faulty. I'm going to remove all those things to make space, and then I'll start with wiring. Already removed my cap, my fuse, and my diode, and my transformer is already loose. And before I remove the transformer, I just want to show you the most important wire is that brown and black. This is the one that energizes the transformer. And this brown and black wire, this is what I'm going to use to connect my new light fittings. So please remember this two wires that go to your transformer. Okay, now all the parts been removed, and I got that brown, just remember that brown and black wire. So what I did is, now before I carry on, I want to see if really it's going to work. So, and I know it's going to work. So what I did is I just put a temporary lamp holder and a globe. But this is not the proper globe and lamp holder that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a UVC light inside. So what I want to do is just a test if it's going to work, but I know it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to energize this microwave. Now I'm going to energize this box. I can't call it a microwave, it's not a microwave anymore. So this will be my future sanitized box, and with this temporary lamp, I'm going to see if really it will work, it will do the trick that I want to do. So I'm going to put 12 seconds, and I'm going to press start, and this globe needs to go on. That means perfect. After 12 seconds, this globe is going to be definitely off, and this means that this thing is working. So the only thing is I need to disconnect the fan so that it don't make that noise. Making noise, so what I did is I disconnect the fan. So I pull the plug out for the fan, which is here. So I will leave it like this. I will just disconnect, and now I'm going to put my 12 seconds again. Second and start. Okay. Now your box don't make that noise, but it will beep once it's done. It will tell you it's done. So your globe is out. On second thought, I think I will leave that fan on. Why? Because if there's any children or whoever is in, they will hear the sound that this is on. But let's do another demonstration. This time I'm going to leave the fan on, but when I open the door, that globe needs to be switched off on its own. So let's put it, make it 18 seconds. So we press start. Okay, so if I open the door, and if I put it back on, let's see. Need to press start. And because this will tell you, listen, this thing is still on, please don't go touch. Plus it will make a noise. I'd rather have the fan on, second thought, which is better. Okay, this will tell you, listen, your, how we call it, your item that is inside been sanitized. But now my wiring is done. Now what I'm going to do is I'll get my lamp holder, my globe, and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Start wiring this sanitizer box. I got myself a 2G11 lamp holder, which I'm going to put it on this side, on the inside, and then I got my 18-watt transformer, which I'm going to put it on this side, and then I got myself the UVC lamp. Is an 18-watt UVC, and is also called germicidal lamp, which is used for disinfection, and this lamp can kill 99% of all the bacteria if it's used properly. Direct exposure of skin and eyes to UVC ray may cause painful eyes injury and skin burn like sunburn, so got to be very careful when work with this lamp. I got two set of wire connected from the lamp holder to the ballast, and my brown and black wire is connected to the ballast. So now the connection is complete. I will just close up, and then I'll put my UVC lamp, and then we can test it. Okay. Now I've got my phone, my watch, my car key, and my purse. Now I'm going to sanitize the whole 4 item and put it inside, and I will put it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Okay, and I'll press start. No, but get the signal. Okay, as you can see, the sanitizer box is off, and now I'll open, and I will take my stuff, and let's see if my phone is still working. My phone is still working, and all my items been sanitized. There's no heat, there's no nothing. So I'll make another video to show you how to use this box.